Okay, the new instrument cluster is working like a charm. This is a road test of sorts, and of course this is Carlos. The May 4th 2026, and it's exactly 9:35 p.m. Eastern, and as you can see on the radio, that's a new radio that I installed on this 2000 Nissan Maxima. Now I got the instrument cluster from I believe an SE model, Sport Edition. It has the white background. Of course you can't see it because it's at nighttime right now, but look at that, it's working beautifully. Now the ABS, I don't know, maybe that's incompatibility with this model that I installed. Mine's a GLE, and of course the SE might have the anti-lock brakes. Now supposedly this car has anti-lock brakes, so maybe there is something wrong with the ABS on this car that I didn't know before, so I'm gonna have to look into that. But everything seems to be okay. I mean, it's running like a champ. I mean, it accelerates beautifully. Look at that. Yep. Let me slow her down here in case there's a cop up ahead. You never know. He's probably hiding somewhere here. All right. So anyway, I don't want to bore you to tears, but two projects successful. Put a whole bunch of new items in this car from a donor car from the salvage yard, and brand new stereo double ding radio from Amazon. Probably 135 bucks with everything, with all the connector adapters and whatnot. This came with a dash camera, which is right up here. It's recording right now, and the rear camera. So it's a deal. It's a real good deal. It's kind of dark over here. My goodness. Yeah, I'm in the back of an auto parts place. Okay, let's keep on going here. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys have a nice evening. I am sure having one, because this is the first test drive with the new instrument cluster. All right, Carlos out, and goodbye for now.